Great.
Then if you look to your left over there behind the chair, there's a very
Oh, there's some panties.
The dungeon, which we'll talk about.
Hell. Don't look in there. Oh my god.
Morning, boys. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. How'd you guys sleep?
Fucking terrible.
Yeah, me too.
I slept fine. I just went upstairs, just slept. I just powered down, dead.
You know,
I thought I was
we're gonna go to the grocery store because we were promised a fully stocked pantry, and all there is was some water and some old cans.
I don't think there was water. I think it was an empty jug.
Oh, it was an empty jug, and there was some like balsamic vinegar in the counter, so we can't really eat that.
Yeah.
So you know, kind of hungry boys, and there's not much to eat here but whiskey. So we're gonna go to
A Price Chopper.
we're gonna go to a grocery store called Price Chopper.
The plan we put in place was very simple. Go to the grocery store, get some food, and come back, eat, and plan out the rest of the day. Almost immediately after stepping outside the door, we ran into another hurdle. Through some lack of communication or just force of habit, Lexi had inadvertently locked us out of the house. We only had access to the deadbolt on the door, which was tied to the keypad on the outside. She had locked the actual lock on the handle of the door, which we did not have access to. We did not have a key for. So, we had to scour around and find a way back into the house.
Oh no, hit the lock button if it doesn't. Let's see. Is the handle locked?
No.
Is the handle?
This?
Yes.
Yeah, why?
We don't have a key for that. Why? Who locked that? Did you lock the handle on the way out?
Locked it. I thought we did.
We don't have a key for that, no.
This doesn't open that?
No, it's only the deadbolt. So they didn't include a key, and I told everyone but Lexi to not lock the handle because I realized that as soon as we got here. And she locked it when we left because that's what we do at our house. I noticed immediately because I saw her turn the handle, like, because it's the same check we do at our apartment, and it didn't turn. And I said, "Did you just lock the handle?" She goes, "Yeah." And I just went, "Well, we're locked out. Like, that's it. We're done." So I actually just had to break in through the AC window.
Yeah.
Luckily, we were able to just yank the screen out and push in the AC, and I was able to crawl
With
through.
the help of these busted ass pliers.
Yeah, this is kind of looking like my dick.
Curved?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
But yeah, so now we're going to Price Chopper. Again, we're making excellent time as fucking always. So let's hit the road.
Jordan, what's going on?
Yeah, I'd rather put anything in.
We got back from the grocery store. We forgot some stuff. It was expensive. It was very expensive.
We spent like $150 at the grocery store.
Right there. Look at this receipt.
That shit long.
Yeah, we spent a lot of money at Price Chopper on stuff. Let's show them what we got.
Let's show. It's a bit chaos right now because we're trying to get breakfast going.
We're starving.
We showed up and there was no food.
Yeah.
How's it going, Alex?
This is
We're good, right? We have plates, we have bowls, we have silverware.
this one.
So, we're doing okay so far. You want any Tostitos or any dill?
What fucking jamoke watch this out?
Listen, we've already been through this. Me and Lexi already had this conversation.
We got this stuff for a sneak thing coming up. You'll see soon. So we got this stuff. We got actual food over here.
Yeah, we got
Chips.
cocaine.
The snacks. We got some cocaine.
Of course, we have a woman in the kitchen. Yeah.
Of her own free will.
Yeah.
We didn't make this
We're not
happen.
forcing her at gunpoint.
We're not forcing her at gunpoint.
You love being in the kitchen, right?
I do. I actually love cooking.
Okay, it was a genuine response.
She's
All right.
reading her lines pretty good, guys.
Hey, you're a good actress.
But Chris, let's show the fridge.
Oh yeah.
Show the fun stuff.
Sorry, I got distracted. I have ADHD.
Good old freezer first is not much. Where's some pies?
Pizza pies, some ice cubes for our whiskey.
Yo, Spider-Man!
Oh shit! He's real!
He is real!
He's been here the whole time?
We got some juices, some fucking condiments, eggs that
No,
aren't
this
ours.
is all the old stuff, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not
This
gonna
is
touch
all our
This is all our stuff. And then we got the best stuff right in the back. Right in the back.
Bud Light? What? Hey, do we want to go take a little walk around?
Yeah, I'm gonna pour some coffee, Chris, so.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
What is this? What is this?
That's a cup.
This shit kinda spicy, bro. Kinda good.
Let's hit this in first person.
It tastes like the dunkin'.
Alright, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's alright. Things are starting to come together. We got our coffees. Let's go take a quick walk around and see what we got here. Now that it's daytime, now that we can see.
Yeah.
Now we can see there's not foxes fucking in the bushes.
And now that we can also see that the woods is not nearly as dense as I thought it once was.
So as you can see, guys, like this fence will keep every intruder
Yeah.
out.
Keep
So like if you're on this
everything
side of
out.
the fence, right, imagine how you would ever potentially maybe get to this side of the fence. You can't, right? So if you're here,
No, you can't.
you're safe from someone here because they can't get from here to here.
Yeah.
Having to go through this fence. How do I get out? Unfortunately, you can't. That's the problem. So again, Chris, if you wanted to get from here to here, you have to go through the fence.
You would have to wait. How would you go?
You'd have to actually go. You'd have to open this up and go through the fence. So you have to basically think about it this way: like you're here trying to get here.
Yeah.
So the way to do that.
So I would, like if I was starting right here,
you'd have to open this. You have to go through this. You can't phase through it. So yeah.
and it doesn't open. It opens that way. Yeah. All right.
All right, bit over.
What else we got?
So here's
Yeah, that's a funny one, boys.
nice sounds of nature. It's pretty nice.
Nice sounds of a car.
Well, yeah, you can. You win some, you lose some.
Jesus, are you gonna fucking survive?
I'll be alright. What is up with this tree, by the way? Who shaped them like that? Who did this guy dirty?
That's what I call fucking penile detonation.
This is when you fall on your dick with an erection. Yeah. So this is the lay of the land.
Yeah.
This is where the magic's gonna happen. We do have some plans, like I said, but man, everything possible hasn't gone wrong. Yeah, so that's the lay of the land. We gotta figure out what we're doing. Really? Really? We're filming. Be mine. Fucking guy.
This guy.
Pay all this money, come all the way out to this beautiful, lavish.
Oh yeah, this
fucking
perfect
immaculate
condition home.
furniture. Perfect views. Like, it just does.
I just want to put this note here, just so it's not as jarring of an edit to go from the mid-morning to the late afternoon. As you'll hear in the next segment, we tried to go outside, experience nature, and it didn't exactly go to plan. So, this note is just to make up for the lack of footage we have. Enjoy.
Jordan,
Uh-huh.
we just went on a hike.
Did we go on the hike? Really though?
Not really. It did not go well.
Okay.
It kind of went like this.
Man, it's fucking hot.
But it also kind of went like this.
Jordan, why is it every time? Why is it every time we do this? We just wanted to go on Bob's way, and the fucking bugs is Bug's way.
Yeah, so not the best.
No, not our best moment.
Not our best moment. We got back. I was really fucking pissed off. I
We all were.
had to wait for the anger to kind of bleed off. But I'm feeling pretty good now, so it's about that time. I'm feeling a little hungry.
I'm hungry, yeah. We also tried to plan a fishing venture, which also...
Oh, that also
Yeah.
fell through as well.
So, what are we gonna do now? You mentioned you're hungry. So
Let's
what's the next step?
make some lunch.
Sure.
Blizzards and hamburgers.
What?
We're out here with the Weber. This shit is fucking greasy. Alex, you got the glizzards?
Yeah, I got him right here.
Glizzard. Where's Jordan, dude? Where did he run off to?
I think he's inside playing the Steam Deck.
He's playing this fucking Steam Deck.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of like a trip. We're trying to make a video, and he's on his fucking Steam Deck.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. He's just playing this fucking Steam Deck. This fucking guy.
What the fuck? Bro. You realize that was $700, right?
I don't give a fuck. We're trying to make some glizzards. We're trying to make some content.
Chris, man, I don't mean to quote you, but I'm hanging out by a fucking thread here, man. That was my relaxation.
I don't care. We're trying to make content.
We haven't done
You
a good
little
job so far.
mustachioed fuck.
I'll-
We're trying to save this video right now.
There's no saving it. It's a point of no return.
I ate your Steam Deck, okay?
You know what? I'm gonna be there when you shit that out.
And you're gonna put it back together?
I'll put it back together.
So do you want like a Blizzard or something, or like a hot dog, or a fucking hamburger or something?
Oh, fuck yeah, let's go, dude.
Oh shit, okay. Let's
What is that?
we got a couple of Blizzards out here.
Let's go.
So we're just trying to burn off some of the old grill residue on here. This is a very nice grill. It's a shame that the people who own this place didn't take care of it.
It's kind of like the rest of the property.
Or the Jamokes who were here last time. Just made a real fucking
Oh, food.
dog's ass out of that.
Yeah, it's like melted.
I don't know how you even pull that off.
I don't know.
I've grilled a lot of things. This has never happened to me.
I don't know.
And the scraper is broken off.
Ooh, them dogs are wet, man.
Those dogs are.
You gotta zoom in on that. Go ahead. Ooh, god damn.
Sorry. Look at these tongs. They don't quite close all the way
Yeah.
because the handles collide with each other.
Nice.
That makes sense. That's good design. Why y'all watching me?
What else am I supposed to watch?
Oh, you basically announced that you're doing a bit, and they go, why are you guys watching me?
Come on, zoom back in. No, come on.
I would drink out of this, but it's empty.
Chris, what are you doing?
I made a Moscow Mule.
What's in it?
It's ginger beer and vodka. I think you're supposed to have other stuff. I forget.
How is it?
It's aight. Kind of tastes like dirt. Let's see. What time is it right now? It's 3:09, 3:10. Sorry, and I'm already drinking. So
We actually, we all are, unfortunately. Things have just kind of gotten out of hand, so the drinking has commenced. And I don't intend for it to stop, I'm guessing. I mean, I don't think it's gonna.
I'm gonna get fucking belligerent.
Day drinking on a fucking Saturday, Chris.
Day drinking on a Saturday. Is there anything better?
Maybe being productive members of society. Bettering ourselves, maybe making income so we can then buy nicer things, live happier lives, work
Incomes
less.
from Monday through Friday.
So what's Saturday for?
Day drinking. I thought we'd been over this.
What's Sunday for?
Getting over your hangover from day drinking on Saturday.
And then Monday is what? Back to work?
Back to work. That's your 9 to 5.
9 to 5, okay. That makes sense. Chris, I'm gonna be honest, the way I've been filming this the last 3 minutes is basically what you would expect to see in a documentary about a family who got murdered. So,
We can turn it into that sort of documentary.
I would like that actually.
It's about a bunch of people, there's about 4 people who go into a house, they rent an Airbnb, and then the 3 of them kill their friend named Alex while he's taking a shit.
Do you have any comment on that?
What are we doing, Jordan?
I think we're cooking, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we're gonna do, I came up with an idea where we just have like ingredients and no instructions, and we're supposed to make
No
something.
quantities either.
No quantities, no instructions, just ingredients. And we're just gonna make something.
One question, Chris. So we got the ingredients. Where's Alex? We have the ingredients. But
Where is Alex? Who is it? Where's it? Alex, when I said we're cooking, I meant like a cake. Like a cake.
Who's to say we can't do both?
I guess you're right. All right, get on in here.
I guess he's right. Hey, what's going on, buddy? Long time no see. This is Alex. You might not recognize him because he's yellow at the moment.
All right, let's get going.
So we're baking a cake.
So it's a recipe for the best chocolate cake, apparently.
Ever.
Ever.
The worst after this.
After all.
Listen, I think you gotta give us some credit, right? Like Chris and us made some burgers and dogs, man. I mean,
We
figured
made
that
some
out.
blizzards and some burgers.
So
You see, that's only one ingredient each.
Well, I made this. This is 2 ingredients.
what's in that?
Alright.
This is whiskey and Coca-Cola.
It is 2
Wow.
ingredients.
We'll see how this goes with however many the next thing is.
Yeah.
All right, let's bring out our ingredients. What do we got?
So here's the first set of ingredients. We got all-purpose flour,
Okay.
granulated sugar.
I know those are cake ingredients.
Of course, we have our baking cocoa, chocolate fudge. Can't make a cake without frosting, right?
Can't forget that.
Now, Alex, you want to introduce this?
All right,
So
we
pass
have
this
oil.
Okay.
very difficult.
What else
Alex's
we got?
favorite oil. So we have vanilla extract and iodized salt,
I just be drinking this shit out the bottle.
That's probably not good for you.
Don't care.
baking soda, baking powder, and because it's our 21st birthday celebration bash, we got a 12 candle that we're gonna make into 21.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I don't
just
really know
gotta
how
swap-
we're gonna do it.
I
but
think you gotta swap it around. It's a bit fiddly.
hang on.
We,
That's 12.
we bought the wrong ones.
Is this 21?
I think so.
So yeah, we got 21 candles. So that's gonna be what tops the cake. So now we gotta figure this shit out.
Yeah.
Have any of you, either of you gentlemen, ever made a cake before?
I've never
scratch now.
baked at all.
Great. Before we combine anything,
Mm-hmm.
we need to get the oven preheated.
Usually it's at 400, 350.
I was gonna say 350.
Yeah, I'd say 350.
I think 350 is probably a good bet. If I can figure out how to use this.
So we're preheating.
How the fuck does this oven work?
We forgot something.
What?
Eggs.
Let me get this chair the fuck out of here.
Is this the rickety one?
Yup.
Yep. Good old rickety
Falling
bitch.
apart just like everything else in this fucking house.
We have egg. What do we do with
I know brownies are like 2 or 3 eggs, right? So
Here's the thing too. I don't think you use yolk. I think it's only whites.
Or no, maybe it's some all eggs, some white.
right. So think about it logically with brownies, like I said, because they say you want cake-like brownies. You
Yeah.
use 3 eggs instead of 2. But you use the whole egg
Okay.
Okay,
with
yeah.
brownies.
So we're going whole egg.
Yeah, we get flour, put the eggs in there, some sugar, maybe mix it all up.
How much flour do you think is in
I would say this is half a cup, right? I would say it's like 2 cups,
2 cups?
or maybe
There's like
cup and a half.
shit in this.
Let's maybe.
It's flavor. Relax. Cup and a half. What do you
Let's
think?
start with 1 and we'll see how much 1
See what
is.
it looks like.
All right.
See what she looks like.
Maybe it's more than that, definitely.
It's
Yeah,
definitely
it has
like
to
2
be
cups,
more
right?
than
Here it is.
that. Yeah, show that to the
The-
camera.
It's definitely
That's
more
not
than
that
that.
much. Granted, it's gonna puff up. Did we get yeast or anything?
That's not in a cake.
That's not in a cake.
We have all the ingredients to make a
Let's see.
cake.
So
That's the
for
point.
context, let's see. She picked an ingredient. She grabbed us all the ingredients, but didn't tell us what, like, how many.
How to
Yeah,
do it.
she found the cake. She
So
found...
I'm assuming we have everything, unless she's
Hopefully.
fucking stupid, which she isn't. So
Well, no, I feel like she's been the most competent member of this.
Definitely.
she's also been the least drunk, so that's probably partially why. But yeah.
Probably.
All right. I say 2 cups, right? That you would think 2 cups.
Yeah, let's
let's
go.
run 2
throw
cups.
another cup in there.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
seems like
That
a
seems
cake.
more.
That
Yeah.
seems more like
That seems better.
right. About 2 cups. 2 cups. So
Okay, and granulated sugar.
Sugar.
Um,
This is probably like a cup.
let's see. So the serving size. 2 teaspoons, and there's 220 servings. So
that told us fucking.
no, I'm just trying to think. So like 2 teaspoons serving.
Okay.
I would say, to Chris's point, about a cup.
Let's try half a cup and we'll see.
We'll just go straight.
Yeah,
for
we'll
it.
do the same method. We'll run half a cup.
Does it look good? Okay. Does it not? And no.
We just kind of put stuff in there until we think it's good.
And we hope to God that it comes out well. Oh boy.
Oh, okay.
It's a little touch
Alright,
over a cup.
That seems like
that's
a
a
lot.
lot of sugar. So I didn't put the full half cup. That's a lot of sugar. So I'd say it was supposed to be like 2/3.
This baking soda, baking powder, probably like a teaspoon of each, honestly.
Yeah. Well, let me grab us a spoon. Yeah, I'd say like a teaspoon.
This is probably like. It's probably like literally this.
About half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just add that in. What does baking powder do? Does it just thicken it?
It
does
helps the Maillard reaction along.
What the fuck is a Maillard reaction?
You know how cooked food tastes good and raw food doesn't?
Uh-huh.
That's the Maillard reaction.
This way.
Alright, fucking.
You looked like you were struggling.
I literally barely touched it! And probably same with that. That's about it. Maybe a little.
About a heroin's needles.
We have this too, the cow.
What do you think? A 1/3 cup?
A third cup? Maybe like...
That shit's really fine.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It smells pretty strong too. Smell.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be like the vanilla where it's really strong.
Maybe like 2 of these.
Yeah, we'll start with 2 teaspoons. Let's do that.
Maybe put that in there, mix it around, and we'll see what it kind of looks like.
Yeah, give that a little mix, Jordan.
Okay. All right.
Maybe another one.
Another one. I'm liking what I see. It's starting to brown a little.
Yeah.
It's starting to mix.
We're getting.
Okay, that's a big teaspoon.
That's okay,
it's a
though.
heaping.
I think we're close if we're not there yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's brown.
Just about there.
That's brown.
A little bit of browning.
Maybe some for good measure.
Yeah, a little extra.
Too much of anything has never hurt anyone, right? What do we have left? We have vanilla extra, which I know this is like a baby fucking touch, like a beep.
We have salt.
Salt, not to worry
Salt's
about.
like
You
a
can't
pinch.
fuck up salt.
Yeah.
Salt is a pinch. Eggs.
Eggs.
3.
How many? 3 eggs?
You thinking 3?
Let's do the same method.
Yeah.
We start with 2.
Just keep.
Because I know it's not 1. I know for a fact it's not 1 egg. Oh yeah.
Uno. Dos.
That's not looking
That's
good.
yeah. That thing's not looking right. That's not a cake.
I say we just add water anyway. There's gotta be water.
Yeah.
Everything has to start with water.
Yeah, there has to be.
Third one, some water. I say half a cup of water to start, and then we just kind of work our way.
Oh shit. Sorry, I got too excited with my egg.
Good. All right,
Something's not right.
we're missing something, Chris. It is just
We got some water in there. It looks like shit.
this does not look good.
It's not looking good. I don't think we're gonna
I
end up
think
with
it looks fine.
that looks like throw up.
Put some fucking oil in it. It'll look great. Let's put some fucking Earl in it.
All right, just scrape this out.
Shut up.
Actually, yeah, just do that. Do that for start.
That's almost a third.
That looks like it was way too much.
That looks
That was a
like
lot
it
of
was
oil.
so much.
I think we made a grave mistake with the oil.
I think we goofed on that one.
To be honest, though, it's looking better. A little bit.
Yeah, a little better. It's
little
looking
better.
a bit chunky.
It looks less like an
Want water?
abortion.
All right, so we get the fucking vanilla
Very-
extract. So you said about half, right?
Yeah.
we don't want to go crazy.
It
with
looks like
this.
medicine.
That is probably.
Yeah, it's probably enough.
All right, so. Alright, so it does call for water. So
There's some
we're
more
good.
water.
Oh,
That's a lot of water, Alex.
You told me to add it.
What the fuck?
You told me to add it. I added the water.
It's
Did
so
they
much
not?
fucking water, dude.
What
Oh,
the?
this is looking more like.
It's looking like a
This is
frosty, to be
looking like
honest.
some
Oh,
fucking
man.
diarrhea.
This looks
right
like
now.
this came out of my ass.
Go on, mix it up, Jordan.
I think we need more flour.
Give her a minute. You want to put in
I
more
think we
flour?
have to, because
It looks like fucking ass water, bro.
This looks like raw sewage.
when we went on our walk earlier, I don't know if I made it
At least
in
we
the
wouldn't
video.
have dug in the fucking septic tank.
That's
for
what
that.
I'm saying.
Yeah. Oh my.
This is what we
God.
cleaned out of the fucking toilet backup.
This is the right. This is like the inside of the Walmart bean burrito. This is what this looks like.
So we want to dump some more flour in?
I think
If
so.
I fucking guess.
That's consistent
Yeah.
though. That's good. That's cake.
Do we want to add a little bit more? Because it does seem a bit.
I'd say like a pinch of flour, like that little tip you did, just kind of
Maybe.
it.
Yeah. Let's
Yeah,
let's
just a little
little
thicker,
more.
because it is very runny, and it's not usually runny. It's usually kind of thick, right there. All right, so I already tasted it. I don't know if you saw it, Alex.
Yes.
Not gonna spoil the surprise. You're in for a treat.
let me hit that.
We also let's do it at the same time.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Not half that.
No, it
It's
tastes
a little weird, but it's not
It
half
tastes
that.
chocolatey and a little bit
If
flour.
there's a little more sugar.
I was thinking either sugar or the cocoa.
Maybe
Well,
a touch of
that's
both.
unsweet. So.
Well, to me,
Yeah.
it's not necessarily the sweetness. It just doesn't have a strong flavor. It definitely needs a little bit of sweetener. I don't argue about the sugar.
Let's do like we did with the flour. Just put a shake, just a little shake in it.
Just a try.
Let me try the other finger.
I used a different finger.
Yeah. Different pinky.
It's definitely better.
I can't tell.
That's a lot better.
It's a lot better, but I still feel like it needs that.
All right, let's
Yeah,
add
it's,
some.
it's
Yeah.
unsweetened, so it's not gonna make it sweeter.
Let's add
It's
a
just gonna
touch
make
of
it
that,
strong.
So, that's alright. There we
I
go.
think maybe a little bit more. That didn't seem like that high.
Alright. I'll take your word for it. I mean, you do cook meth, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we're talking.
That looks
Oh,
like
yeah, look
cake.
at this. Look at that.
Oh, you think we're gonna call that? You think that's our?
I want to give it another taste.
One more taste. I don't want to do too much tasting because I do want this to kind of be like a
Yeah.
blind sort of build, so to speak.
But I think that's an important step, you know?
Well, it is,
for
because
sure.
the batter was definitely fucked the first go. Like, if we made that, it would have been disgusting and bland. Alright, ready? Different finger, middle finger.
Yep. I got the ring finger going in.
Oh boy.
That's it.
That's mint. That's
That
it.
tastes like cake batter.
That's it.
Alright.
That tastes exactly like cake batter.
So, here's a question, Jordan.
Yeah.
And Alex, I guess.
Now it's your turn to stir.
How long are we gonna cook this?
Usually it's like 30 minutes, but I say, shorter is better. So we give it like 15, check it. Give it like another 15, check it.
Okay. Because I'd say, like, usually with like a packaged cake, it's like a 45-minute ordeal.
Right.
And this is like kind of a deep pan, too.
Deep pan, it's all freshly made, and our proportions are probably off, so it might cook faster, it might cook slower.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can watch it though too, so.
I'm gonna stare at it.
Okay, I mean
The
if you
whole
want to.
time.
But of course the oven light doesn't work, because nothing in this building works. So we
The
can't actually
oven did turn on.
Let's give it a solid tip. It ain't gonna go nowhere.
Yeah.
How's it looking, gents?
This is looking fucking mint.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That looks like a cake.
Yeah.
Well, an uncooked cake.
Yeah, that's a fucking.
This
that's
is a
fucking
cake.
mint
I
ass
feel like
cake.
that's pretty good.
Are we ready to pop this bitch into the
Yeah.
oven?
Yeah, I think we are.
Now bring the camera over here, Jordan. We gotta witness the oven popping.
Oven popping.
You ready, Chris? You ready?
Right, open her
I'll
up.
do you the honors. Slide that bitch in. That's hot.
Which rack? Middle?
It's usually middle rack, but
Can it fit?
well, it doesn't
Oh, for
fit.
sure. Okay.
Getting it's gonna be a bit of a bitch. Buy cake.
Call it, what, 15 minutes? We'll check on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's cut to that.
Alright, Jordan, how long has it been?
About 30 minutes, right?
Give or take.
Yeah.
Give or take. Do we want to go take a quick look at what our cake looks like?
I think we should. Let me grab the camera.
All right. Let's see.
That looks fucking mint.
That doesn't look bad.
That actually looks alright.
That's pretty good.
Like I thought, it kind of looks more like brownie mix or something.
Are we gonna
But-
call that? Or are you taking that out?
I
Let's
don't-
give it 5 minutes.
Alright, 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes sounds about right. So
5 minutes. And then we're calling it, that's it?
I don't think we should hard call it. I think we need to test it.
Yeah, that might.
You should
not
give
be
us
right.
that leniency. Because
Yeah.
if it's raw, I don't want to eat it raw.
Yeah.
What do you mean? It'll be fine.
I will stab you.
Okay. Well, that's gonna be actually 3 minutes and 49 seconds now, so.
We just stare at each other.
Let's just stand here for 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Let's put the timer up here. Alright, do we want to check on it?
I think we should check the cake.
Alright.
We'll go right in the center.
Oh, that was
Ooh.
juicy.
And it's clean.
Perfect.
No
It's good.
oil, no
hang on.
nothing.
She's clean.
Throw some of the edges. Mint. Fucking mint. Right here. Fucking mint.
Alright.
Okay.
I guess you wait for it to cool and then frost it?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
guess.
And then sprinkle.
It
Yeah.
may be edible.
Allegedly.
Maybe.
Almost.
I don't know, it's very pillowy.
In
You
theory.
could eat this and survive. It may taste good though.
It's like Elmer's glue.
Yeah.
Chris, get a close up to this like
Edible, but
pustule.
like not eatable.
Oh, pustule.
Yeah, it's called a bubble, retard.
So it's been about what, 5-10 minutes?
Something like that.
Gentlemen?
Yeah.
Give it take.
Okay.
So now we're gonna check the cake. So Alex, grab the cake.
Well, we already checked. We can
Alright.
frost it.
Fuck, we're gonna frost it. Yes, you're right.
Oh yeah, completely forgot about that.
Frosting. So we didn't bring the cake over here, so we just do it over there.
All right, we got our frosting right here. This is our lovely cake. This kind of looks like my ass.
Yeah.
Let's put some frosting on it. Ooh, that's firm.
Maybe it's a little dense. That's
So-
okay.
Ooh,
Do you want a knife or do you want like a
that
tablespoon?
looks pretty good.
It's spreading pretty good though. Spreading
Yeah,
pretty
but
good.
this is very uneven, essentially.
Oh, the actual cake itself? Yeah, the cake is...
Yeah, so there's gonna be like pockets of extra frosting.
It's fine.
Did we want to use those old ass sprinkles that we found in the cabinet?
Maybe check them for like a date or something?
Where are they? This is... Oh, we're in luck, boys.
Oh, yeah?
These are in date by 4 days. These expire on July 20th, 2022. And today is July 16th, 2022.
Alex, you help make the cake. You take a fucking
Alright.
swing at fucking spreading it.
Alright, you want me to add any more or just...
You could probably use a little more, I would say.
Alright, yeah. Oh, I can see what you're talking about with the pockets. Here.
So, how do we want to go with sprinkles, you think, Alex? Do you think we want to go like we want to put a governor on it, or do we want to just go, whole hog with this?
We're going whole hog.
I say whole hog. Full
Listen,
throttle.
man.
Whole hog.
It's whole hog or it's no hog.
All right.
And I like hog.
I think that's good.
Alex,
Yeah.
Alex, you took a shit on the cake. That's not the frosting. You
Listen,
grabbed it from
man,
the shit jar.
It already looked like shit to
All
me.
right.
Oh, yeah.
This almost looks like a cosmic brownie.
Holy shit. Alright.
Alright, I think that's enough sprinkles.
Well, you
Chris.
said to go whole hog.
Alex, are you... No, you said to go whole hog. What does whole hog mean to you? Are you a half hog kind of guy?
You're a fucking no hog kind of guy.
So, let's light the candles, shall we?
Oh shit! I dropped my match.
You're
Let's
already
catch the
fucking
house
up.
on fire, man.
Okay.
Let
Let's.
me go the other way. These might be too old.
That works.
Come on,
really
Jordan.
fine. Come on, Jordan.
It's not working. The match is no good.
Am I gonna
Holy
have to do
shit.
this for you?
I don't think so.
Use it, Jordan.
There we go.
There you go. Jesus Christ. I think this guy's never done anything before in his life.
Chris, I'm pretty sure you're an Indian.
I don't even know how you managed that one.
Well, let's ask your mom the same thing about your birth. How
What
do you
did I
fuck
do
something
to
up so
deserve
bad?
this? What did I do to deserve this? I'm not the one that's fucking up.
Alright,
the
Chris,
matches.
should we blow it out? Maybe you guys sing happy birthday, you fucking assholes?
It's not your birthday today, though.
Yeah, good point. Okay.
All right. Make a wish.
I wish this camping trip was over.
You can't say it out loud, and then it won't be true.
Shit!
We're
No!
gonna be here forever now, Jordan.
Right.
All right. Should we serve this bitch up, or do we want to go over what we put in versus what was actually supposed to go in?
I say we taste it first.
I say you eat it first.
All
What are
right.
you gonna say?
Alright. I was going to say the other way around. But you already close.
Yeah, scoop some on there. Scoop some up. That was 2 pieces.
Oh my fucking god, that is so dense.
Hang on, let me go look at this. Holy shit! It looks like
It looks like shit.
it looks like canned bread.
It looks like raw sewage.
It looks like it looks so bad. Oh my god! Hang on, let's get forks.
Oh no! It looks like it's fucking ground beef.
It looks like meatloaf. All right, let's eat up.
Alright, hang
Alright,
on.
everybody
Hang on.
grab a piece and we'll all bite it at
Oh,
the
it's
same
so
time.
dry.
Oh,
You
shit.
ready?
Alright.
All right.
Tastes like gum.
It doesn't have much of a taste to it.
Okay. If you bit into like a fresh sponge,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's about that consistency. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't really taste like anything. I think all I'm tasting is the frosting.
well, see, that's the only taste that's there. Yeah. Here's the thing.
That's interesting.
I'm a real just grease ball, just a dumpster for food, so I'll probably eat the rest of this.
I'll have
It's
one more
alright.
bite, but I don't think I'm eating much more after
Of the
that.
cake I've had, this is probably about
Yeah, let's
fucking
get
a 3.
let's get a close-up shot of this.
Open your
I don't
mouth
know
on the
how
camera.
good of a shot that is, but wow.
That is dense.
Yeah, I'm all done with that.
It really is like a fucking chocolate sponge.
Where do you think you guys went wrong?
Everywhere.
The oil.
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 Read off what we put, and then read off the recipe. Like the ingredients, not the instructions.
Alright, so to start, you preheated the oven to 350 degrees. and the recipe called for 350 degrees, so that was correct.
All right.
All right.
We're 1 for 1 so far.
Yeah, that's good.
But the recipe also called for 2 9-inch cake pans, which,
That's fine.
That's
fine.
one like
That is
9-inch
what-
cake pan.
Yeah.
alright. You
one,
guys put,
1 for 2.
okay, you guys put in 2.5 cups of flour,
Mm-hmm.
and the recipe called for 2 cups.
Okay,
That's close.
That's
Not bad.
close.
So we must have fucked up with the oil then, because it was watery. That's what made us add that last half
Or we
cup.
put too much water in.
Or that.
Yeah.
Alright, the sugar, you guys put 1 cup, you needed to put 2 cups.
Mm.
Yeah, could
That's
you
fine.
Explains the
Where- yeah.
sweetness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The baking powder, you put half of a teaspoon, you needed 2 teaspoons.
Ooh, that's
Ooh,
strong.
yeah.
That's shy. That's a quarter of
Yeah.
what we needed.
Yeah.
The baking soda, you put 3/4 of a teaspoon, you needed 1.5 teaspoons.
Ooh, again, we're half.
We
off.
were pretty
Those
shy
two
with
were
those.
bad, yeah.
See, we underestimated that because we thought too much would kill it, but
Yeah.
actually it turned
Not
out.
enough killed it as well.
Yeah.
Alright, this is where you went wrong. Cocoa powder, you put in 6 teaspoons. You
We did
needed
1.
3/4 of a cup.
Holy shit.
Um,
Now, how many teaspoons are in a cup?
A lot.
Hey Google,
It wasn't strong enough.
how many teaspoons are in a cup?
1 cup is equal to 48 teaspoons.
Holy shit!
That explains why it doesn't have a taste. We just went until it looked kind of brown.
Yeah, that and the sugar. Alright, let's continue.
Yeah, what's next?
Alright, so the salt, you added in a little bit of a sprinkle and called for 1 teaspoon, so not too
Oh,
bad.
we're probably close with what Alex dumped in at the end.
Milk, you added in nothing. And
Oh shit, the milk!
you needed 1 cup of milk.
We forgot that we
the
needed
milk.
milk.
We bought the milk for this, remember?
Oh shit.
Hey, we forgot the milk.
That's why it was so goddamn thick.
Yeah.
Alright,
We need what, 1 cup?
1 cup of milk. The oil,
Oh
Alright.
boy, I don't even want to know.
again you went wrong. 1/3 of a cup of oil you put in, you needed half of a cup.
Oh, okay, that's not bad. The
Yeah.
milk, I think that fucked us because we forgot about the
Yeah.
milk entirely.
I feel like it's a lot of flavor there that
A lot of flavor and a lot
Yeah.
of fluffy, like, thickness.
Yeah.
that's probably where like
It's
when
like how
you're
it's a
frothing
thickener.
it almost.
Yeah. It would have made it thick. Instead of us having to add flour, it would have been the milk probably.
Mm.
Instead of water and whatever.
Oh shit.
So the other thing that made it dry, the eggs, you added in 3. Only needed 2. The more you add, the drier it becomes.
Yeah, that's what I said in the
Okay.
video. Was the recipe for like brownies, drier is more eggs. So I figured it was 3 because it always says
Yeah.
cake-like.
That makes sense why it looks like this. So.
The vanilla extract, you put in half of a teaspoon, you needed 2 teaspoons.
Ooh, off by
Yeah,
a quarter
we
again.
went really light with that stuff, huh?
We thought it was gonna be damning, and it damned us in the wrong way.
Then this one was okay, but still wrong. You put in 1 cup of cold water, you needed 1 cup of boiling water.
Boiling.
Boiling water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Interesting.
Okay, that might explain why it was thick
Yeah.
too, because the boiling water would help to kind of liquefy
Dissolve
it,
it. Yeah.
and then dissolve the clumps and shit like that. So that kind of makes sense.
Okay.
And lastly, the cooking time, you cooked it for 35 minutes, you needed to cook it for 30 to 35 minutes.
Oh,
So that was
Alright.
So what are we like 3 for like 12?
something
Yeah.
like that.
We got
Yeah, about
closer
3.
than I thought we would.
It's honestly, for how off some
Yeah.
of those measurements are, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it
like,
does
it's
not
great,
taste bad.
But like,
It's a
yeah,
thing.
it's not
we
terrible.
totally fucked up.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
just
that
I
was,
mean, just look at the damn
Well,
thing.
listen.
He finished it.
Clean
so
plate club, boys. Clean plate club.
I'm not joining you in that. If you want to, you want to help.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah.
There's more than enough to go around.
No, I'm fine.
You know, scrape the sprinkles.
I
off
wouldn't.
The top.
I wouldn't want to eat it all. You can have your piece.
Yeah, no, I don't think I want that. Now we gotta clean this shit up.
Now we gotta clean this shit up, and then we start the next segment of the show, which is I don't know.
Which is, I think we planned out. We're gonna do our podcast.
Down the hatch.
I had to take it in 2 swallows.
Wow, that was close. I almost fucking aspirated that shit.
Not gonna lie. I regret that already.
That might be the last
want to tell
one
Letsy now before
I'm gonna be honest
to
with you.
moderate us. So what I was gonna say. Oh, that tastes like fucking ball hair. In all seriousness,
You want me to go tell Lexi?
I'm gonna be good for 5 minutes. Let me text her.
Hey, just keep an eye out.
We might be shambling upstairs soon.
We're getting bullied, Jordan.
This is just gonna be.
I'm gonna say, how
I
are
knew
you?
this is what it was.
And
gonna
start
be.
the pizza.
Start
Yeah.
the pizza.
Yeah.
That's important.
Start the pizza, woman.
Hey, female, cook for us,
my
please.
This is gonna be the worst or the best episode.
Hypothetically, if you had
Yeah,
two
what's up?
options, if you could shit your pants or get a Steam Deck, which would you choose?
What between the two? Between shitting myself and getting a Steam Deck.
You fucking drunk
I'm good. I had liquid in my mouth. I didn't want to choke.
When you last saw us, we left to go do the podcast.
Yes.
We have done the podcast
Yeah.
and eaten dinner.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of pizza and some pretzels.
Yeah. Have a nice chat.
We had a little chat.
And we're fucked.
I'm feeling better now,
It's been 5 hours since you saw us.
but it's been quite some time.
It's not been
I
5
feel
hours.
like since this last clip, since I stopped drinking, that was probably like an hour and a half
Yeah.
ago. So this
I am
is
feeling a little better.
entirely Alex's fault. He
Yes.
was the one who said, "Hey, last time, we're gonna do a shot." And I said, "You know what? Pour me up one."
And so did
and
I.
he fucking overfilled it.
Yeah, and then I
spilled it.
mine.
So,
I didn't
check
I
out,
didn't really spill it.
check out the
103.
podcast 102, 103. You're going to see this decline.
103.
it's a
we
decline.
see, because we're getting out of the woods now, right? I definitely still wouldn't drive, but we're getting out of the woods right now.
Yeah.
103, the tail end, the last 25 minutes, we were completely lost in the sauce.
Yeah, we were fucked up.
And that's lasted until now.
I didn't know what the hell was going on, and I honestly don't remember it right now.
So,
I don't remember it too well.
we're just, we're chilling, we're having a good time.
And editor Chris, so we did record random shit while we were drunk.
Yeah, I'll put that shit in there.
So, how about you put that now?
I got this.
I'm good, I'm chilling.
No, I have everything we
If
need.
you all just close the door.
Just ignore him. Just leave him there. He'll wake up tomorrow morning and it'll be good.
Don't leave me down here.
I'm not gonna leave you down there. Leave the alcohol, don't take that. We don't need any more.
I just need paper towels, man. Turn the fucking light back on.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I can get up.
No, you can, it's easy. Is bro dead? Yeah, he's fine. I think he's alright.
I sleep. I'm kind of tired, not gonna lie.
Are you now? Don't look at me.
I'm not. I can't move my eyes that way.
What? So here's the thing that Jordan said to me. Yeah, I feel like I could run a marathon right now. And
Yeah.
Jordan goes, I've seen you do that before. And I look at him, he goes, no, I'm lying. I've never seen you do that.
Check out those clips. That was funny.
That was funny.
Yeah.
These are some funny guys.
We're fucking stupid.
Yes, so we're getting ready to clock out for the night.
Yep.
So we got some behind the scenes stuff to do, but that's about it.
Yep.
I done been clocked out.
I ain't getting paid for this shit. I'm out of here.
Alright.
What the fuck was that noise? What the hell? The tripod fell over. Hey, Jordan? The tripod was knocked over.
What?
The tripod is knocked over.
Tripod's knocked over.
Yeah, someone knocked the tripod over.
I'm fucking up here. I didn't do it. What the fuck is that?
I don't know. What is that noise? What is that?
What has he got?
What's he got?
Oh my god, he's got the mount. Get him.